Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we are going to be making these super cute pockets. They are made, it's the typical project that you get so many pockets in a sheet. I've done several of this video on my channel. Today I'm going to share how to make this little 4 pockets out of one A4 sheet, which is your 8 by 11 sort of standard size. Guys, I hope you like these little pockets. So easy to make. I'm addicted to butterflies, you know I am, hence why there's butterflies on today's project as well. You're not a crafter if you're not make things with butterflies. Okay guys, keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be sharing for the very last time, because I'm very sorry about it, we're going to share and play with this lovely kit, because this week is the last week I'll be doing autumnal sort of like project, because from next week we're going through full on Christmas. So this is the last time I will be sharing this lovely kit. It's probably one of my favorite kits I have designed for all different reasons. So let me show you what it is, and then we're going to do some play. So it's called Autumn in the Field, and it has 13 pages. It's quite a big chunk. So you've got a couple of, I'm going to go through quickly through the pages quickly. You've got cards and tags. Then what I've done here, I have created 2 pages, so one with some background if you guys want to make cards or journal cards, or this can be folded in half and make your little booklet or little notepad, like, because if you fold that you can put some pages inside. And then I just put some sunflowers, because the sunflower is the main theme of this kit. Again, they're ready made, so you can decorate envelopes as well if you wanted to. Then some pussycat and some butterflies that complement the kit, a large envelope and some large butterflies that again you can probably layer, which we're going to do today. And then a couple of journals pages, so got that one with the 2 pages, some postcards, again super cute. You just need to pussycat them and then play. You can stamp on it if you wish to, and a couple of cubes for your boxes if you make like favorite boxes, or if you have I don't know, table setting, if you want to do like table favors and stuff like that. You can put treats, stationaries, anything. And then the backgrounds, I already cut the white border, because everything, as you can see, when you print it just comes with a white border. So that's the background. So we got one with I've done collages, and I put these lovely birds because I think it looks really, really nice. Butterflies and sunflowers, of course. And I don't know what you can see on camera, but there are some flowers on the background. You see, I kind of like created different layers. This is probably one of my favorite page. Got some vintage illustration. I popped a meters. And then this is my ultimate page, favorite page that I've ever designed, ever. I love it because there's some fat butterflies. Of course, I am obsessed with butterfly, but also I think, and that's my opinion, I don't know if you guys like, I do think the yellow the sunflowers complement the blues on the flowers on the background. I think it blends really, really well. So, and then there is one with some woods and I just framed on some sunflowers. So what I need you guys to do, I need you to cut those pages here, because what we're going to do first, it's up to you. You can print double-sided, so you can print those pages into one. I don't tend to do that, because when I print out my kit, I don't really know what I'm going to do with it. So I just print it off, and then once I got the pages, I check that everything is all right, because when you design something on the screen, the colors don't quite come out 100%. So I always make sure I do like a check on print to make sure when you guys print, you get the best quality. So yeah, so what I need you to do, guys, I need you to get rid of the white frames, and then you can either print it off back to front, so like front and back. So I need you guys to have these front and back. So because I got 5, I'm going to pick, I'm probably going to use those 2, and am I going to mix them? So you got 2 with the butterflies. Okay, I'm going to stick them back to front, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put them together, as you got front and back. So it's like double-sided, but again, you can just print it double-sided. And I'm going to show you how to create this little pockets here. So it's a pocket that has 1, 2, 3 on the side, and then of course we'll have a 4th pocket when you put this on your journal in there as well. Okay, now because I've got the challenge of my metallic sound, just watch the video without me talking and just follow what you see rather than me trying to talk, because it's going to be a nightmare, because you will hear all different noises on the background. So I'm just going to put some music. Okay guys, so that's the sheet. What you do is fold it in half, and then use your bone folder to varnish it properly. Okay, so literally we fold it in half. Then what you got to do now, you got to create a triangle. So lift the corner up and create a triangle on your right hand side. And again, I am burnishing the fold. Okay, so I open the page now so you see what it looks like. It's like you do a paper boat. And now we're going to create another triangle on the opposite corner. Lift it up. And again, score and fold and banish that fold line. Yeah. And I use my bone folder again. So it looks like, open up. It looks like this. So you've got 1 and 2 triangles. So fold it and then rotate it. So your triangle is on your left hand side. Okay, turn it over and you decide which one is your front. I'm using that as a front. That first rectangle on the right hand side, I fold it inwards. Okay, so just like that. Fold it. Again, banish. And then the other rectangle on the other side, we do the same. Okay, so your triangle is there. So turn it over and that rectangle is going to fold it inwards. Okay, simple as that. And that is your pocket. So I'm going to banish that as well. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put some adhesive. I have used double-sided tape because it's quicker, but you can use glue if you want to. But I do prefer double-sided tape just for the speediness. Okay, so put that on top, and then it seals. And then we're going to do the same on the front pocket there. So I'm going to put a tiny little piece on the bottom of your triangle. Not there where I'm putting it now, because I realized I was making a mistake. It's on the bottom down there. So you close that down. So you create your pocket. So yeah, glue that down. And then there is a pocket on your right. So pocket on 1, number 2, number 3, and then of course number 4 when you put that onto your page. Okay, simple as that. Okay, I think I'm going to do a voiceover, but I will do that when I edit my video. So I will talk over the video, so just to make sure you guys get the right instructions. So yeah, so the pockets are done. So easy, guys. As you can see, it took me more like a minute, if that. So you can make this ahead, put it in your stash, forget about it. When you need it, you go back and decorate them all. So I also go ahead and do the butterflies. You saw me using this in the beginning of the video, so I layered 3. Can you see? Yeah, I think if you put it like that, you can see. I suggest you guys use glue dots when you do this layering situation, because the glue dots will give you dimension. So as you can see there, you've got a bit of dimension. So it does look like the flat, there is one on top of another. Of course there are, because of 3 different sizes, but you get the gist. And the same with this one. On the kit, I gave you a plain butterflies and then halves. Where is the page? So you get normal size butterflies, and then I put you halves. So again, you can layer them as you wish. So yeah, I'm really thirsty. I think I'm gonna go and get a cup of tea. Don't know why I put the glue dots away. I had the salmon for lunch, some smoked salmon, which is, you know, you guys know, is one of my favorite things to eat. I could eat smoked salmon every day, because I've been to the gym this morning, so that's my protein. I'm making a mess here, absolutely mess. And then as a dessert, I had some peanut butter M&Ms. Oh guys, because I can kind of justify myself because I can eat them because it's peanut butter, and peanut butter is good for as a protein for muscle building. So yeah, so my lie to myself is I can eat peanut butter, M&M's peanut butter, because peanut butter is good. So yeah, and I'm a sort of person, I want to highlight Min B comment that she left in one of my videos a while ago. She said, "A minute on the lips, a lifetime on the hips," and it's so true. And I don't know what I mean, it's all to do with metabolism. Like Jamie, he's so lucky. He can eat anything, anywhere, any part of the day. He doesn't put any weight on. I always said to him, karma will catch up with you, don't you worry. So he's very lucky. He's thin and anything. And yeah, anything I eat, like Min Bean said, it just stays there. Oh goodness me. So yeah, it's, I don't know, I was born like that, so yeah, it sticks into the hips. And also, you know, in the last video Monday, I was talking about the overpriced Tmall's Ephemera, and it wasn't, I'm conscious that it sounded like I was complaining about it. It wasn't a complaint, but I think it's overpriced, and that's my opinion. Even Brenda is part of my creative squad members, and even Brenda said, you know, I can, and I put the comment on the screen so you guys can see, she also said, you know, sometimes things don't need to be overpriced. And I think as well, like, craft is a hobby for all of us, and things don't need to be expensive. And I think that's one of the reasons why my kit is so affordable. My kit is less than £3. The most expensive kit on my website is £2.95. I just don't think, guys, I can charge any more than that, because it will be an extortionate price when it's not need to be. And I'm not saying that everybody's free to do anything with their own, you know, their own kits. And there are other creators, they charge more, but I rather you guys get the chance to play with the kit rather than charge an astronomical price when it's really not need to. But anyway, I shut up now. So Dan, what do you guys think? Hope you liked them. So just to recap, where is my bone folder? Here. So we got one pocket here, one pocket there, a pocket on the side, and of course when you put this on your page, if you put a double side there, it will create, that will be your fourth pocket on the front. There are tons, if you're into junk journals, there is a playlist on my channel, all junk journal. It's called Junk and Art Journals, and I will put the link in the info box. These are all different tutorials we got related to junk journals. Today, shout out goes to my a member of my creative squad. Every video I shout out one of them, and today the shout out goes to Diane. Diane is called Diane the Messy Palette AU. She's based in Australia. So you can find a list of all my creative squad members down below, and these are extremely talented people. I am extremely honored to work with. They receive 2 kits every month, and they showcase project using this, and they get sale commissions as well, because I don't believe in free laboring. So all my team gets sale commission. Okay, right guys, I'm going to go. If you like this video, please give me a big butterfly thumbs up. I hope you will like this kit. Again, it stays on the website for a little while. If you wish to purchase it, I will put the link down below. And I've got one more video I'm going to do with this kit, which will be a Friday video when I will be gifting you one of this page for free. And then next week, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, will be full on Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thumbs up, that will be fabulous. Enjoy the rest of your day, and until Friday, stay safe and well.